Good morning to all of you, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys doing? We're back for another video. So today, we're gonna be having a lot of work on the car today. So right now, I'm on my way to Cookies right now. We're gonna get my muffler deleted. Right now, I am running a catless downpipe from VRSF. Shout out to VRSF. I'm running a VRSF catless downpipe, and everything else is stock. Like from there back is stock. And I mean, in my opinion, it's too quiet. You know what I'm saying? Like, I understand my car won't be like super loud, but like it's just too quiet. And the cold starts are kind of bad. And I probably won't be able to fix the cold start issue until I could get my tune in and then mess around with the exhaust settings on the tune. So I'm just waiting for my tune to come in still. I haven't even, to be honest, I really haven't even bought the tune. I still gotta do like all the other stuff. I still got like one more thing I could do. Then I could get my tune. Then I have to start saving up for the tune. But yeah, so right now we're heading to Cookies. We're gonna get my muffler deleted, and after that, heading to another shop, and then we're gonna install my headlights, because my headlights, to be honest, the whole front end of my car is just fried. It's not super bad, but it needs a little bit of work. So we're gonna try to tackle down the headlights, fog light issue, because my fog lights are just like mangled up. So I gotta like take the whole bump. We're gonna take the whole bumper off, move everything around, fix everything perfectly, put the front bumper back on, and then I'm gonna try to handle the hood fitment. I'm running an OEM hood. I just had it wrapped in gloss black, but it's just the fitment is like, I don't know, it's weird. The fitment is just moving around, so you know. So, and that's a problem that a lot of F30 owners have. Whenever they get a new hood, it's just always fitment problems. Mind you, I bought an OEM hood, and it's just fitment problems. So I'm gonna try to mangle around with it, work it out, see if I could get it better than what it is, because it's like pretty bad right now. But then yeah, so today's just exhaust work, front end work, and then next video will be tackling the stuff I need to do before I can put my tune on, and then obviously get the tune. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys when we get to Cookies. As you can see, we finally made it. Got the car going on the lift, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be putting a tip as well. I'm saying I don't really want a tip, so something simple, nice clean, simple black one. But yeah, so as y'all can see, VRSF, ooh, that's hot. VRSF cat downpipe. And then we will be leaving the resonator, but the only thing that's leaving is the muffler. So the resonator's staying, and then we got the catless downpipe. So yeah, dang, that's my friend, bro. Look at this, bro. This is all botched. We're gonna fix all this up today. Get this whole, let's see, bro. Fucking broke the clip. I'm gonna be fixing all this today. I'm gonna take the front bumper off and realign everything, perfect everything, and fix it all up. You see? Muffler's gone.
Not bad.
No muffler. Y'all peep the tire life, bro? Y'all think I missed the flip or not? I do need an alignment too. Yeah, these tires are about done. Y'all can see it. Tires about done. I like to drive my tires until they're booty bald, and then I get new ones. You know what I'm saying? I like to get my life out of my tires. Put the downpipe ski. Shout out VRSF. Whole front undercarriage tray is just thrashed, dude. Look at it. It's just thrashed. Once we take the bumper off, I'm probably gonna like zip tie it to like one of these. Then we take this bolt out, and then just zip tie it up. I gotta redo the fog lights, redo all this shit. Fog light, the other fog light is like sitting in here, like right back in there. But yeah, man, lots of work to get done today. We're handling a lot today. Boy, let me show you what's on feet today. Got my old beat up Jordan 4s, you know what I'm saying? I am gonna buy a new pair of these, to be honest. I do like these shoes, they're pretty nice, but I beat these things into the dirt, man. Definitely gonna buy a new pair, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Fresh Kicks. You know what's crazy? I had to watch these videos to understand why they call them Fresh Kicks, because dude had fresh kicks, right? Dude has fresh kicks, but yeah, you know what I'm saying? Show y'all boys what's on feet today. The Royal Jordan 4s from like, I had these since I was what, sophomore? Junior? You're a size 7, and I'm a size 9. And I can still fit them with no problems. No, they don't hurt. I can fit them perfectly fine, bro. It's crazy. Currently getting F30 installed. Alright, let's fix it. I think it's gonna sound good, not gonna lie. Especially paired with the downpipe and back, it's gonna sound amazing. Got my boy Rudy here. He's GTI. The kid done. Tuesday is GTI. My boy Rudy's 2022 MK8 GTI. Sitting on bags. Stage 1 right now. Hold on, bro. Go follow. But yeah, it's a dope car. What type of gray is that? Brooklyn?
Brimstone.
And Brimstone. Yeah, it looks so much like Nardo.
It's there somewhere.
Clean.
Wheels coming soon.
Oh yeah, wheels coming soon. I like the tint. It's like a pearlescent. It's fire. Yo!
I didn't expect those ropers.
Me either. I didn't expect the bubbles either. Yo! That thing sounds clean.
That sounds really good.
That's fire. Dude, I was not expecting the burbles at all. I was like, what the hell?
They didn't do them in Sports Plus. I don't know which setting it was in before.
It was normal. It starts up in normal and then you kick it in Sport Plus. So it was just, dude, that's clean. We're officially finished. I'm about to reverse it and then we're about to do a pull down the road. I'm gonna head back down and do a little pull for y'all boys. So it's Sport Plus, right? Hold on, we gotta put this thing in manual. Oh, I should probably switch arms. My boy Rudy up there. But this thing sounds good. I ain't gonna lie, it sounds like a VQ. We're gonna fix that. In my opinion, it sounds like a VQ, but we are gonna fix that. I'm gonna get my tune in and then we're gonna like change up some of the exhaust settings and stuff to make it sound a little bit better. But yeah, bro, this thing, bro. This thing sounded sweet. I'm gonna do one day, I'm gonna get like some video clips for you guys of like what it sounds like. I'm gonna get a cold start for what it sounds like with just the downpipe and stock muffler, and then I'll get a cold start of what it sounds like with catless downpipe and then no muffler, so that for those of you guys who drive an N20 and want to get that done and stuff, y'all could get that done, y'all could get that done and y'all know how it sounds, just in case y'all just curious at what it sounds. Currently at the shop, how the tip is looking, you know what I'm saying, not bad. Once I get my I'm not gonna say that, but yeah, the tip's not bad, but you know, we're gonna work on it later once I get some more stuff, once I fixed up the rear end. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. But yeah, car's in the shop, car sounds good. This is my boy Richie. You know what I'm saying? And then Noah's working on his oil pan gasket. But yeah, Richie's car's good. Uncle's car. Uncle's working on his whip. I'm not sure what he's doing today. I think he's doing his inlet relocation kit. But yeah, we're just waiting on Richie, and then we're gonna do the headlights and then fix up that front end. I low-key might, I don't know, I don't think I want to drill into the fog light. I might just remove the fog lights completely and just air duct them. Cause it's not that bad, to be honest. But yeah, I'm just gonna remove the fog lights, F the fog lights, remove it and just let them hang. What type of these boof headlights, bro? Man, this one's good and then the other one's boof, bro. But yeah, better get this work done, and then what's gonna be looking good, sounding good. So I can see new headlights. Bought some OEM ones, nothing too crazy. Some nice simple OEM ones. Keep the original look of the car. They look good though. And they came with bulbs, bro. Shout out to Car Parts ID for sending these out. Look good. Whew.
First kid.
Finally got the front bumper off. Me and Richie were struggling to get this off.
No. Jay was struggling. I came over here 2 seconds ago.
I was struggling to get these off, bro, and then Richie came in and just like, boop, boop, all done. One thing. Ugh. Peep this. YouTube, Negro. It's for YouTube, boy.
For YouTube? You got a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir.
What's your YouTube channel name?
Grim Whips. Boy, you still fried. Got Richie helping me. Shout out Richie. Wish you guys go subscribe to his channel too. Go show some love to him too, you know. After hours of meddling, one headlight is in, and I found a temporary solution to my fog light problem. Zip ties. A car guy's best friend. This is the connector to the headlight. This is where my horn used to be. I gotta get the horn. Where is it? Over here. The horn missed the flip. Richie's working on the other headlight. He messed this up in the accident. But yeah, fog lights zip tied. Fog lights are retired officially, and I need new tires.
Jeez.
Oh man. Woo. Lots of work, man. Lots of work.
There's no tire left.
I'm gonna get all this done. First headlight is on. I'm gonna peel this off once we put the bumper on, and yeah. Finally got the new headlights on, bro. Pain in the ass.
Sure.
All the brackets, every bracket was broken. We had some of them we had to break ourselves just to freaking get it to fit. Like this one, we broke it and we just put a nut in it, and then right now I'm about to put the bumper on, line everything up, and then put the front bumper on. All right, go. Oh shit! Wait, hold on, turn it off. All right, now try it.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir. Try on high beams?
High beams?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
How good does it look, bro?
Good. Better.
Are they fucking crystal clear now?
Crystal. Woo! No more headlight tickets. No more headlight tickets. Clean, perfect fitment. Oh, we still gotta work on the fitment once we put the bumper on, but they work, so that's really all that matters. I'm gonna go get my money back for that ticket. As I can see, man, headlights are on. Ooh, hold on, let me get a DIY.
Yo, I got a 275, I think 275 40 19 back there if you want it.
All right, wait, 275?
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's too big.
Okay. There it is.
I got all of it. Alrighty, bro. Brand spanking new headlights. Fitment's not perfect, but I don't care. You know what I'm saying?
I don't know what
DIY air ducts. DIY air ducts.
Hey, looks good.
DIY air ducts.
Those look
Now
good.
we're just changing the oil, and then we're gonna get out of Richie's hair. And me and Richie, I'll show you guys when we get out. We did the headlights. Bro, let me tell you something. We were struggling to get the headlights off for like an hour and a half. The brackets were old, so they were just breaking, and then they were broken to the point where like we couldn't unscrew the bolts. Like the bolts wouldn't come out from the bracket. So we had to cut into the headlight, rip it off on that side. We cut into that headlight, ripped it off, and then we like DIY'd it. We you know, just put the bolt with the nut in. And so I'll show you guys the headlight. So the headlight works. No more headlight malfunctions. I still have a check engine light on. That's probably from the downpipe. But yeah, so no more headlight malfunctions. And so the car is good. She's running good. Next thing we're gonna be tackling is handling everything I need for the tune and the other necessary stuff. I need a horn. As you can see, no horn. I'm pushing it, no horn. The whole horn fell off, so I gotta get a horn on, and then we're gonna tackle down everything I need to get this tune on, and then we're gonna go stage 1, yeah boys. I'm excited, bro. Man, 2022 was a bad year for this car, but 23, bro, this car is gonna make a comeback, bro. I'm about to have, bro, on God, once this car's finished, bro, I'm gonna have the hardest 320 in Southwest Florida. Facts. Facts. But with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. I'm starving. About to go get me some Haitian food. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, because I went through a lot today. I mangled my hands for these damn headlights. So, you know, hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.